Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making bacon breakfast burgers. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have some ground beef, and this isn't lean. But you want a fattier beef when you make burgers so they're not dry. And I'm going to start out with a burger about the size of a softball. We're going to flatten it down. Now all my ingredients for my burger I pre-made to save time, so you're not watching a half-hour video, but I will show you me assembling them. Now I'm going to put a little divot in my burger. What that does is that keeps them from curling up as they fry. And I'm making 8 burgers tonight. So I'm going to go ahead and get all my burgers in here. And I'm going to season them with salt and pepper as they fry up. Once I get these all fried up and moved aside, I'll bring you guys back. Right now that my burgers are done and I cheesed them up, and I have them over here in the electric skillet on warm, I was going to fry my eggs in the electric skillet, but got so gummed up from the burgers it'd be stick city, so I'm just going to do them here in a non-stick pan. Now I'm going to take some of the bacon grease that I have reserved, and we're going to fry our eggs in that, because nothing's better than eggs fried in bacon grease. And I have my pan preheating. Let me turn it down just a hair, and I'm going to do this like 4 eggs at a shot. Now for my great niece and nephew, they're not going to get an egg on their burger. They probably won't like it anyways. So I'm going to need 6 eggs. But I'm just going to do 1 for the video. Well, 4, but we'll use 1 for the video. So you guys can see how the burger looks when it's all put together. Turn my heat up just a little bit. And I'm going to season my eggs with some salt and pepper. Alright guys, my eggs are done frying. It's time to assemble our burger. Now I'm going to start out here. I have some English muffins that I did in the oven. We're going to start with our bottom bun. And I'm going to take one of those burger patties. And I melted cheddar cheese on them. You can use any kind of cheese you like or no cheese at all. It's all a matter of personal preference. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some hash browns on here. Shredded hash browns. Like I said, I did everything ahead of time to save myself some work and to save you guys the agony of having to watch me do each individual component. I'm going to put some bacon on here. And we're going to take one of our eggs, and these are still hot. The burgers are hot and the eggs are hot, so that's going to do some carryover heat to cook or to heat our burger through. There's my egg. Pull that little bit off of there. Good. You can see my eggs running all over. That's fine. Now I'm going to take the top of that English muffin, and I'm going to smear some mayonnaise on it. I'm going to take that, nestle that down on there. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Now I made some tater tots to go with this, but I'm not putting them in a video. You can see my eggs all melted all over. It's really good, guys. You get that egg melted or running all through there. You get the good, awesome burger flavor, the cheese, and let me get a little more bacon on this bite. Hash brown saltiness of the bacon. That's really delicious, guys. Wasn't hard at all. Works well together. And if you don't like your eggs over easy, you can do scrambled eggs instead. Alright guys, there you have it. Bacon breakfast burgers. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.